Suba na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Kementeri Ketanat Kekot Kekia ke Dr. Mezel Ampareen Lingdo Habaya Keren Berkilat Pathai Hubor Mentaka Sengi Kekat Nyo Terik Unailor Arajar Arpusau Kala Pentim Bahaka Arpusan Terik Unailor Kan Penlong Degajinya Keren Halor Ki Mat Jingkeli Bat Kinong Thok Hubor Ke Jela Halor Ki Babon Ki Mat Ki Bakintop Nadu Ke Polio Ke Jingpang Rabbies Bat Minta Seka Monkeypox Bat Kiwai di Kekong Ampareen kale thoru ba dang haki khendiat sngi kala dep ka jela kala do ya ka wai ka reu kenthei ka ba Shah Dait Ksew Bnai min Shah bat ka ba Khlem shim ya ka wai tika jong ka anti Rabbies ha ka ba tang Hadien de kitayo kani ka Longkmie kala Khlad no bat dei halor ki ba kum gini ki jingjia ka sarkar ka dei ban shim khia ba bat kan donru de ka kenta kali jingkeli ka ban ailat ya baro ban ya pleu jingmot lang la pentim ka menteri sarkar Hagabede berkecing pang polio pat nakal yang ke menteri kalau ong bakam don ban ong halor kani namar bakam dei shimet ke doktor bat kam ya ha behiru bakan batai Henry ha ka arpusan terik kan ya keren lut halor ke ka daw ke bala penong ya ke jingjia bakan wanjia ha ka jela bad hadin ke jingpet benya baro an sawanra ha ka kenta keli jingkeli bat kinong thok hubor la benrap ke kong Ampareen
and preparedness for monkeypox.
So on the 25th, I told you I will be having a Q&A session with the press on these kinds of matters. Number one, the polio thing. Number two, the Rabbies. Just yesterday, we lost a nurse. An MLHP was bitten by a dog 2 months ago. Did not, for some reason, take the anti-Rabbies vaccination. After 2 months, within less than a week, she was gone. So these concerns are there, and we need to start looking at these matters sincerely and seriously. I will give you a proper Q&A opportunity. We will come prepared. I will sit with the team, and any of the questions that you want to ask on these communicable diseases and on matters of safety and all, I will reply in a proper manner. So the polio case again is very complicated. Let me not attempt to reply to this query. Me not being a medical doctor is not correct. On 25th, I will be dealing with this question, and we will tell you exactly why that happened. Why was that reported? And an in-depth analysis has been done. I will discuss this
25th, do you have a meeting?
25th, we are Q&A with the press.